Steve, what's your view on the markets going forward? I mean, nobody knows exactly which way this is going to go, but obviously, I know you're still a huge holder in Microsoft. Microsoft has managed to stay above that $1 trillion market cap, but even Microsoft hasn't been immune to these huge and volatile swings. What do you see in the bigger macroeconomic picture and for big tech?
Again, not necessarily a prognosticator, but at the same time, I think it's fair to assume the markets will stay volatile. I think the markets will stay depressed, if you will, for some time. I think tech specifically from a P&L perspective, depending on where you are in tech, is likely to get hit less, if you will. Certainly software services, Microsoft Office, Azure, for the ones I love, Amazon's AWS, Zoom, will continue to get used, maybe even at a higher rate during this time of crisis. One thing I've been watching, Zoom is a competitor of Microsoft Teams, and I noticed Zoom stock has almost been counter-cyclical during this time, and certainly is one of the few stocks that's moved up as we see more and more people work from home.
So, look, the president is speaking very optimistically about reopening the economy potentially by Easter. You've got health experts who are saying that's just far too soon. Who's right?
Well, in general, I believe in the scientists, if you will, but I do think there's a good point here. There's really a three-step cadence that we need to see. Number one, we have to do the things with urgency that the scientists tell us to do to hit the flattening of these curves. Number two, we really do have to take care of people economically right now. The economic hardship is too punishing. And then number three, we can't forget, we do need to restart the economy. It's getting the cadence of those things right that's so important. And I think the gate, if you will, needs to be what the scientists tell us on the front end. We're giving people the money. Thank goodness the Democrats and Republicans have been able to agree on that. But we've got to be ready, not rush it, be ready for that third step, which is to reignite the economy.